In this video, we're going to use the Venn diagram we created in the last video to answer some questions. So just as a reminder, there were 162 students. They were surveyed on their enrollment in math, biology, and chemistry. We created this Venn diagram, and now we're going to answer some questions, rounding any results to 2 decimal places. So let's look at the first one. How many of all the surveyed people took math and bio? So math and bio is the intersection of math and bio, because it's and. So that is this region right here, which is 10 plus 6, which is 16. Okay. Next, we're asked, how many of all the surveyed people did not take chemistry? So let's look at our diagram. And let's circle chemistry, and because we don't want chemistry, we'll cross out all the chemistry values. So we want to add up the remaining values, which are 26 plus 10 plus 35 plus 23. And let's do that on the calculator. This gives us a total of 94 people did not take chemistry. Next, we're asked for a percent, so we're going to need to set up a ratio. What percent of all the surveyed people took chemistry but not bio? So our total here, after the of, all the surveyed people, and we're given that in the instructions, so that's 162, so we don't have to recount them. And now we want the part, which is going to be chemistry but not bio. So let's look at our diagram. And we'll circle chemistry, but we don't want bio, so these 2 pieces are bio, so I'm going to cross them out. So we have 2 pieces that are chemistry and not bio. They are 12 and 14, 12 and 34, which is 46. So we're going to divide 46 by 162 and change it to a percent. Multiplied by 100 gives us, so to 2 decimal places, we'd round up to 28.4%. Let's look at the next one. Now we're asked, what percent of all the people, let's use a better highlighter for that. What percent of all the people who took chemistry also took bio? Okay, so notice this isn't all surveyed people. We just are starting with the chemistry people as our total. And then if they're in the chemistry circle and also took bio, that's our part. Okay, so now let's go to the Venn diagram. So here's our chemistry circle. So let's find our total first by adding up all these numbers. So 12 plus 6 plus 16 plus 34 is 68. And now we want the ones who took bio. Okay, let's use a different highlighter. Okay, so here's the bio circle. These are the 2 pieces that are in chemistry and also in bio. So our part is 6 plus 16, which is 22. So we have 22 out of 68. And we'll multiply by 100 to change that to a percent. And our result is 32.35%. And our last question, what percent of all the people who took bio also took chemistry? Okay, so notice this is the reverse. Our total is all of the bio people. And our part is actually identical to the last one. It's going to be bio and chemistry. So let's look up the diagram. I'm going to keep that there for a minute. Okay, so let's look at the bio circle. So the total in bio is 10 plus 35 plus 6 plus 16. So there's 67 in bio for a denominator. And then the part is the people in bio who took chemistry, which is still these two pieces. That's why I left it highlighted. And that's 6 plus 16 equals 22. So now we have 22 out of 67. It's going to be close to the last answer, but a little bit bigger because there's one less person in the bio category. So let's see. 22 divided by 67 times 100 gives us 32.84%. So they're not equal, a little bit bigger because we're comparing to different totals.